So I thought I'd just take a moment to show you the setup for Polly and Jub Jub and Horatio. They have their own little area in the house. This is Polly and Jub Jub's cage. There's Polly's little hanging basket there. It's closed because Jub Jub will take over any chance she gets. There's Jub Jub's side. And it's bigger than it looks. But they're never in there anyway. This is one of the hanging playpens. Nice and quiet here as usual. Little swings, things to tear up, things to discover. Little ladder, more things to tear up. All it is a pot rack that's being suspended from the ceiling, and just add some toys to it. Here's another hanging playpen. Again, it's just a pot rack. All of the plants are, of course, non-toxic. Wings and... oh, and a little bird. Yeah. Food. Food's hidden kind of all over the place. There's the fountain. Everybody enjoys the fountain a lot. The cord on the fountain, although you probably can't really see it, the cord is wrapped up in tubing so that nobody can chew on it. And more hanging plants. More places to find food. This is Horatio's cage. And he doesn't hang out in there much. Nobody hangs out in their cages much. And this is their ladder, the pine cone. They usually stick little bits of food in here so that they can do a little bit of foraging. I don't like everything to be super easy. And, yeah. So there it is. Little birdie oasis.